7. Salmon. Protein is essential for muscle health, but did you know that protein requirements increase as we age? That's because our bodies become less efficient at synthesizing protein as we get older. It's a natural process called sarcopenia, so we need to eat more protein to make up for it. Salmon is an excellent source of protein, and it has all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Plus, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve joint health and reduce inflammation. Studies have found that people who consume more omega-3 fatty acids are less likely to develop arthritis. Omega-3s can also help relieve arthritis symptoms by reducing inflammation in the body. But that's not all. Omega-3s can also help improve balance and coordination, which is important for preventing falls and fractures as we age. One study found that older adults who took omega-3 supplements for 12 weeks had improved balance and coordination compared to those who took a placebo. So, if you want to maintain your muscle mass and prevent falls as you age, be sure to include salmon in your diet. Salmon is also high in vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium levels in the body and promotes strong bones. In fact, studies have shown that people with higher vitamin D levels have a lower risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Vitamin D is also important for immune function, so it can help keep you from getting sick as you age. One study found that older adults who took vitamin D supplements were less likely to get respiratory infections like pneumonia and bronchitis. So whether you're getting your vitamin D from salmon or from the sun, it's important to make sure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient as you age. Finally, salmon is also a good source of selenium, which is an important mineral for maintaining healthy muscles and preventing age-related muscle loss. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, and it plays an important role in muscle protein synthesis. Studies have shown that people with higher selenium levels in their blood have more muscle mass and strength. So if you want to maintain your muscle mass and strength as you age, be sure to include selenium-rich foods like salmon in your diet. 6. Chia seeds. As you age, it's important to make sure you're getting enough fiber in your diet. Fiber is essential for maintaining healthy bones and preventing constipation. Unfortunately, most people don't get enough fiber. According to the National Institute on Aging, older adults should aim for 14 grams of fiber per day. Fortunately, chia seeds are one of the best sources of fiber available. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 8 grams of fiber. Chia seeds are also high in protein and healthy fats, making them a great option for a filling snack or meal replacement. They're easy to add to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, and they can help you feel full and satisfied so you're less likely to overeat. Studies have shown that eating a diet high in fiber can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing age-related cognitive decline. High-fiber diets have also been shown to support a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health and well-being. So if you want to maintain your energy levels and prevent age-related diseases, be sure to include chia seeds in your diet. 5. Greek yogurt. As you age, it's important to make sure you're getting enough calcium in your diet. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Unfortunately, many older adults don't get enough calcium. According to the National Institutes on Aging, women over the age of 50 should aim for 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day. Men over the age of 70 should aim for 1,200 milligrams per day. Fortunately, Greek yogurt is one of the best sources of calcium available. A single serving of Greek yogurt contains approximately 200 milliliters of calcium. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass as you age. In fact, Greek yogurt has more than twice the amount of protein per kilogram than lean beef. Protein is also important for wound healing and immune function, so it's important to choose a yogurt that is high in protein. When choosing a yogurt, look for one that contains live and active cultures. These are the beneficial bacteria that give yogurt its tangy flavor and help maintain a healthy gut. Studies have shown that eating a diet high in calcium can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, which is important for preventing heart disease and stroke. High calcium diets have also been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So if you want to maintain your bone health and reduce your risk of age-related diseases, be sure to include Greek yogurt in your diet. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a true nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. Spinach is also a good source of dietary nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. This can result in increased endurance and reduced fatigue during exercise. But that's not all. Spinach is also a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are important for maintaining healthy vision. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume more spinach and other leafy green vegetables have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. So if you want to maintain your muscle mass and prevent age-related diseases, be sure to include spinach in your diet. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed with nutrients. It's a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Broccoli is also high in antioxidants, which can help protect against cellular damage caused by aging. Antioxidants are important for maintaining healthy cells and preventing disease. One study found that people who consumed more broccoli had a lower risk of developing cancer. Another study found that people who ate more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli had a lower risk of developing cognitive impairment. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin D, which is important for maintaining healthy bones. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. According to the National Institute on Aging, older adults should aim for 600 international units of vitamin D per day. A single serving of broccoli contains approximately 50 international units of vitamin D. So if you want to maintain your bone health and prevent age-related diseases, be sure to include broccoli in your diet. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats. They're also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. Vitamin D is important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin B12 is important for maintaining healthy nerve cells and red blood cells. Selenium is an antioxidant that can help protect against cellular damage. Eggs are also a good source of choline, which is important for maintaining healthy brain function. Choline is often lacking in people's diets, so eggs can be a great way to get more of this important nutrient. Eggs are also a convenient and affordable source of nutrition. They can be prepared in a variety of ways and added to many different dishes. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. So if you want to maintain your muscle mass and prevent age-related diseases, be sure to include eggs in your diet. 1. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can help protect against cellular damage. Magnesium is important for maintaining healthy muscles and nerves. Calcium is essential for strong bones. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of phytosterols, which are compounds that can help improve cholesterol levels. Studies have found that eating a diet high in nuts and seeds can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing age-related cognitive decline. Nuts and seeds are also a convenient and easy-to-add source of nutrition to your diet. They can be eaten as a snack or added to meals and recipes. Whether you prefer almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds, there's a nut or seed out there for everyone. So if you want to maintain your muscle mass and prevent age-related diseases, be sure to include nuts and seeds in your diet. I would love to see your comments down below. Which of these foods do you plan to add to your grocery list this week? Before you go, please tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.